Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making oat cookies. So we need just 3 to 4 simple ingredients. We need very ripe banana, not spoiled, very ripe. Then 2 cups oats and half cup raisins and walnuts. So we're going to be mashing our banana with spoon, fork, or maybe anything. So you mash it, and once you're done, you don't bother if you still have some little chunks there. It's cool, it's okay. So you have the oats bit by bit till they are well combined. You keep on mixing till they are well combined. Once they are well combined, then you are going to be adding your raisins and walnuts. Raisins is very good, and walnuts, nuts, they're great as well. That's antioxidants. So you mix them together till they are well combined. Once they are fully combined, then you shape them using a cookie scoop or your hand. You can use your hand. Just ensure you wash your hand before doing this process. Just wash your hand and shape it with your hand. It's not going to melt in the oven because we don't use butter. So it's just as you shape it, you can make it flatter than this. Then bake in the oven for like 15 minutes. Within 12 to 15 minutes it will be ready. See, it's ready. It's return brown. If you want it to be browner, you can keep it in the oven for a longer period. See, my daughter is already waiting for it. So delicious, so yummy. You can enjoy this with your family. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.